buddy. How are you doing this morning?
Good.
Appreciate your help out here this morning leading traffic.
Yeah,
My name is Denny.
Dan, nice to meet you.
I'm recording for Sean Fisher.
Look at you taking the camera. Being a boss, do what you want to. Let me find my stuff.
You ready, Sean? Come on, man. You got it ready?
Yes,
All
I'm
right,
ready.
Let's do it.
Denny wanted to be here an hour early, and I
I
said 10 minutes was sufficient. So don't be angry forever,
It's
Denny.
okay. God forgave me, so I made.
Oh man, man, he's got spirituality too. We would love a ride.
Absolutely. Hop on.
I call back. That's Duncan.
Keep going, you're good, you're good.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, dude?
How you doing?
Yo, I just watched your video from yesterday in the car.
Everybody is just so happy at Wave Conference. It's so fun. Hey, what's up? How you doing? Hello.
Hi, Sean. Hello. Hi, oh my God.
So, great first couple sessions. Now we're heading to some breakout sessions at another church for this conference, and gonna learn how to be a really good at life person.
Here.
I'm a daily vlogger, man.
Are you really?
So I own my own video business, and then I also do a daily video I post on YouTube.
I want to look at it. Would you hit me up in social media or something so that I can see it?
Of course, man.
I want to see it.
Of course. So that guy is Israel Campbell. He's really cool. We're about to hear him give a breakout session. I'm really excited.
I knew I was lost, but you know, you don't want to show that you're lost. You just gotta kind of pretend like you know what you're doing. And there was a freeway, so I took it. You know, that's like in North Carolina. If you're on a freeway, you're gonna get to a main place. But this freeway, I didn't know where we were. And the out of the corner of my eye, I saw the exit, and it said Compton. And I thought, I know that is not where we're straight out of. I just know.
Last session was really good. Enjoyed it. Now we're going to get a veggie tray for the party we're going to. Denny's a good party guest, and he's getting a veggie tray. He looks just like you.
Hey, just for you, Sean. Woo, baby.
We should get all the emojis.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
What is your favorite color and why?
Pink and purple.
Why?
And because it's my mom's favorite color. Because
Is their daddy's favorite colors?
And because my favorite princess is Rapunzel and her dress is purple.
I see. Get out of there. Man. Look at that guy's arm. Look at his arm.
Look at that guy.
Uh-huh.
Look at that guy. Thank you.
No one goes, you just stumble.
So that last session was incredible. One of the best sermons I've ever heard. Darius Daniels, phenomenal, phenomenal. It makes me just want to go change the world. I love it. This conference is awesome.